This is a park. We see green trees, flowers and grass here. Children come here to play, walk, run and have fun. This is a school. We learn, read, write and play here. We make new friends and learn many good things every day. This is a hospital. We go to the hospital when we are sick and doctors and nurses help us get well. This is a market. There are many shops and people here. We come to the market to buy fruits, vegetables, clothes and many other things. This is a library. There are many books here. We come to read, study and borrow books from the library. This is a playground. Children come here to play games, run, jump and enjoy their time with friends. This is a zoo. Many kinds of animals live here and zookeepers take good care of them. People visit the zoo to see animals such as lions, elephants, tigers, snakes, monkeys and many others. This is a beach. It is a place near the sea with soft sand and beautiful waves. Many families come to the beach to play, walk, relax and enjoy the fresh sea air. This is a restaurant. We come here to eat food. We enjoy tasty meals with our family and friends. This is a bus stop. A bus stop is a place where buses stop to pick up and drop off passengers. This is an airport. We come here to catch a flight and travel to different cities and countries. This is a railway station. Many trains come and go from here every day. We buy tickets, wait for our train and travel to different places with our family. This is a post office. We send letters, postcards and parcels from here. We can also buy stamps and mail our letters. This is a farm. Farmers grow crops, fruits and vegetables here. They also take care of cows, goats, chickens and other farm animals. This is a garden. We can see many flowers, plants and small trees here. Gardeners take care of the garden while watering the plants. This is a museum. We can see old coins, paintings, tools, fossils and many interesting things here. We learn about history and the past by visiting a museum. This is a cinema hall. We watch movies on a big screen with our family and friends. This is a temple. People come here to pray to God and thank Him for His blessings. Many people visit the temple during festivals and on special days. This is a bank. People keep their money safe in the bank. They save money, deposit money and take it out when they need it. This is a police station. Police officers work here to help people and keep everyone safe. We can go to the police station if we need help or want to report something. This is a fire station. Firefighters work here to put out fires and help people in emergencies. They also rescue people and animals and keep everyone safe. This is a stadium. Many people come here to play and watch sports. We can enjoy games like cricket, football and hockey here. This is a swimming pool. We learn to swim and have fun in the water. Swimming makes our body healthy and strong. This is a shopping mall. There are many shops in one building. We can shop, eat, play and have fun with our family and friends. This is a hotel. People stay here when they travel or visit a new place. Hotels provide rooms to rest and sleep, and they also serve food. This is a bakery. Fresh bread, cakes, biscuits and pastries are made and sold here. People come to buy fresh and tasty baked food. This is a church. It is a quiet place where people pray to God. Many people visit the church on Sunday and special days. This is a computer lab. We use computers to learn typing, drawing and many new things. Our teacher teaches us how to use a computer. This is a forest. We can see many trees, plants, birds and wild animals here. Forests are very important because they give us fresh air and help nature. This is a mountain. Mountains are very high places. Some mountains have trees while others are covered with snow. Many people visit mountains for fun and adventure. This is a village. Many people live here and work on farms. We can see green fields, trees, ponds and animals in a village. This is a city. Many people live and work here. We can see tall buildings, busy roads, schools, hospitals and markets in a city. This is a river. A river is a natural flow of water. We can see boats, fish and people fishing here. Rivers give us water and help us in many ways.